This is how you create a live sticker that you can share in the Messages app with everybody. This is essentially a GIF that you're making yourself, and it's pretty slick. Open your Messages app, go to any contact, tap on this little plus icon, tap on stickers, make sure you're on the stickers tab, and you're going to see a plus over here. Tap on that plus. Now you need to find a live photo. So we can filter by live photos right here, including this one is a live photo I just created. You can see it's live right there. Tap on the plus, and that takes out the background and it adds it as a live photo. This little circle here that's filling in means it's working, and now it's complete. Let's take this one off that I put there by accident. And let's go back to our stickers. Got our new one right here. It's moving around. When I send it, there's the live sticker. And you can create whatever you want for your live stickers, but it just has to be a live photo. If you don't know what a live photo is, if we go into the camera app, tap on these 6 dots in the top corner, we make sure that live here doesn't have a line through it. Make sure it's either live with a little A beside it or just live. And now when you take a photo, it's going to take a few seconds of video and even audio with that photo. And it essentially turns it into a GIF. And then that GIF can be used as a live sticker using the process I just showed you here, which is pretty cool. And these kind of things take up space on your phone. To free up more space, you got to empty the hidden trash cans. This video shows you how. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you